Assalamualaikum student. So this is next lecture from the lesson number 5 and lecture 6, and you got this lecture. So after a week, so it's necessary to recall the previous lecture. So in the previous lecture we have learned the difference atomic theory from Dalton's atomic theory to the Bohr's atomic theory. Okay, and between that we have learned the Thomson atomic theory. Then we have learned the Rutherford atomic or scattering model, and lastly we have learned the Bohr's atomic theory, in which he explained the whole structure and the shells and the energy of the electron. Okay, now in this lecture we will see the next point, that is the structure of an atom or the atomic structure. Okay, so see the structure of atom. According to Bohr, we have seen that atom consists of the positive nucleus, and the electrons are around or revolving around the nucleus, and the atom consists of different shell or the orbits, and he gave the name that orbits, the K, L, M and N. He also explained about the energy of the each orbit or each shell. Okay, now we will see the structure of the atom in today's lecture. So atom consists of two main parts, that is the atomic, and that is atom consists of two main parts, that is the nucleus, okay, and the extranuclear part. Okay, so there are two main parts of the atom, that is a nucleus and this extranuclear part, that is nothing but the orbit or the shell. So see, first that is a nucleus. Okay, so the structure of an atom according to Bohr is like the atomic nucleus. Atomic nucleus is a positively charged nucleus. Okay, almost entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. Entire mass of that nucleus is of that atom is consist or concentrated over the nucleus. Okay, so this is a structure. The nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles. So nucleus have two types of subatomic particles. These are the proton, which is positively charged, and second subatomic particle which is present in the nucleus is nothing but the neutrons. Okay, neutrons. So together these two particles, subatomic particles, called the nucleons. Okay, together these proton and neutrons called as the nucleons. Okay, so let's see what are the protons. So protons is positively charged subatomic particle present in the nucleus. The positive charge on this nucleus is because of the proton. So proton की वजह से जो है न्यूक्लियस जो है वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. ओके, प्रोटॉन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द सिंबल P. सिंबल P से उसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एंड ईच प्रोटॉन कैरीज a positively charge of +1 electron, यानी कि it's approximately having a mass near about 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19 coulomb or mu. Okay, so proton carries a positive charge near about 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19. So when total charge on the nucleus is expressed in the orbit, that is electron, its magnitude is equal to the protons, okay, in the nucleus. So the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number of that element. That means the number of proton in the nucleus is the atomic number of that element. So we can say the atomic number is equal to the number of proton. Okay, and the atomic number of the element is denoted by Z, कैपिटल Z से उसको डिनोट किया जाता है. ओके, यानी कि जितने नंबर होंगे न्यूक्लियस पे प्रोटॉन के, दैट इज़ द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट. ओके, सो द मास ऑफ वन प्रोटॉन इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 म्यू. सो प्रोटॉन का जो मास है इट इज़ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 म्यू. एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑल्सो है हैविंग अ atomic number or the mass that is 1 mu, and which is near about 1.66 into 10 raised to power minus 27 gram, and the mass of the hydrogen is also near about 1 mu. Understood this much? Okay, now let's see the next subatomic particle, that is a neutron. Okay, we will see the neutron in details. So neutron is electrically neutral. What is a neutral means? न्यूट्रल का मतलब होता है हैविंग नो चार्ज, नो पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नो नेगेटिव चार्ज. दैट मीन्स द न्यूट्रॉन इज it is denoted by symbol n. Neutron is denoted by symbol n, small n. Okay. लेस देन द हाइड्रोजन एटम। ओके, हमने थॉमसन के थ्योरी में देखा था कि जो मास रहता है इलेक्ट्रॉन का वो हाइड्रोजन के मास से 1800 टाइम कम है। सो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी वेरी स्मॉल एंड द निग्लिजिबल है। और इसको ऐसा इलेक्ट्रॉन का ऐसा किया ट्रीट किया जाता है कि इट इज़ अ हैविंग अ निग्लिजिबल मास। ओके, यानी कि उसको नज़रअंदाज कर सकते हैं। सो इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द एक्स्ट्रा न्यूक्लियर पार्ट रिवॉल्व इन द discrete orbits. You have seen that these are the orbit. So electrons are revolving around the nucleus. See here structure. So this is a positive nucleus and these are the specific number of the electron orbit. To go in another orbit from nearest to the far orbit, it required the energy. So the orbit being 3D in the nature, and the orbit also called as a shell. We have learned this, that orbit also called as a shell. Okay, we can say it a shell, we can also call the orbit. Okay, it is used instead of a orbit. The energy of electron is determined by the shell in which it is present. So the energy जो रहती है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की वो डिफाइन कर सकते हैं हम उसके प्रेजेंस की वजह से जिस ऑर्बिट में वो मूव कर रहा है. सो एज आई एक्सप्लेन अर्लियर दैट क्लोजेस्ट शेल ऑफ हैज़ अ लेस एनर्जी, है ना. हमने पहले पढ़ा है कि जो सबसे नियर वाला शेल रहता है दैट इज़ सपोज के शेल है. ओके, दैट इज़ अ के शेल ऑफ द एटम. सो उसकी जो एनर्जी रहेगी इट इज़ हैविंग अ वेरी लो एनर्जी रहेगी उसकी. एंड द ऑर्बिट विच इज़ फार फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस दैट इज़ दिस वन ऑर्बिट हैविंग द हायर एनर्जी which we have already learned in the previous lecture. So now next part, that is the number of electron in the extra nuclear part is equal to the number of the nucleus, यानी कि number of the electron in the extra nuclear part is equal to the number of proton. So we have learned the electron which is negatively charged electron which is revolving around the nucleus or the orbit, and each and every orbit or shell have a specific energy level. Now next point, that is the number of electron is in the extra nuclear part is equal to the number of proton in the nucleus, and that is shown by the Z. Okay, that is mass number. So the number of electron is equal to the number of protons, and that's why the atom is electrically neutral. पॉजिटिव चार्ज और इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है नेगेटिव चार्ज है, और इसका जो है पॉजिटिव चार्ज है प्रोटॉन का. ये दोनों के जो बैलेंसिंग की वजह से क्या होता है कि जो एटम है वो कैसा हो जाता है, न्यूट्रल है, यानी कि एटम पर कोई चार्ज नहीं है, जबकि उसमें जो सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल है वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो नेगेटिव चार्ज है. बट ये दोनों के नंबर्स बैलेंस होने की वजह से जो है, यानी कि पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव बैलेंस हो रहा है, इसलिए जो एटम है इट इज़ अ इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल वन, and that's why we can call the atom is a electrically neutral. Okay, understood this much? So this is enough for today, and in our next lecture we will see the atomic mass number. Okay, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे एटॉमिक मास नंबर, यानी कि जो Z है उसको फाइंड आउट कैसे किया जाता है. अगर से हमको प्रोटॉन का नंबर दिया है, अगर से हमको न्यूट्रॉन दिया है, तो वी विल सॉल्व द some numericals on this basis. So it is enough for today. So we will meet in our next lecture, that is lecture 7. So good luck. Allah Hafiz.